Expo 2020. It's empty, and it's about, I think, it's 8. All right, this is the Dubai Exhibition Center. Completely empty right now, but it's getting ready to reopen in October. It says Opportunity District, Al Wasi Plaza, Mobility District. Expo 2020. Here's the sustainability pavilion. You can see it says City of the Future. Sustainability District. It's a big pavilion right there. And then over here you have this really cool building. You can see the lights going into the sky. I think that's just a bridge, literally. Over here it says I Feel Slovenia. Got a big phoenix over there. Just kind of cruising around. Can't believe this place opens in 10 days. What is I Feel Slovenia? I don't know. This place is huge though. When you look at a road like this, it kind of makes you dizzy because the lines just go straight. I like when they're like kind of like this, where they're not all the same. Even that kind of pattern can make you a little bit dizzy. But let's go over here and see what they got going on. We're staying at the hotel, so when you stay at the hotel, they let you walk around. You just can't go indoors. Oh my gosh, what do they got going on over here? Are those all solar panels on the roof? That would make sense for sustainability. What's down here? What's going on down here? It's like a game room? Okay. All that for a game room? It says welcome. Looks like there's something going on below here. Let's see, what is over here? Wow. Incredible, huh? What do we got going on over here? All right. It says Gaff Avenue. All right. So much going on around here. They literally just built a city overnight. Mangrove Avenue, Cedar Avenue. And here's Vision Pavilion. Wow. So much going on out here. Earth Plaza, the Terra. You got calligraphy benches here. Don't mind my shadow. The family place. Man. You got these vines growing. I wonder how full this place is going to get this winter. How's it going, sir? Good. Jubilee Park. Dubai Metro. Wow. Not exactly sure what this structure is here, but I guess they're dismantling it. So they're tearing it down. I think it was the mobility. It's just like a maze out here, honestly. There's so much walking that you do and so many different places. But I was just talking to a guy, he said like each nationality will have like a pavilion, right? And then inside that pavilion will be like food and things, interesting things that they have going on in the world. So the good news is there will be coffee. Don't worry about that. There will be plenty of coffee. They even got it staged. Matar Farms Express. Dubai's legendary brisket. No, but they'll have more than just these mobile carts. Ooh, what is this? What is this building? This looks interesting. Now that looks space age, man. The stage. Talk about the Jetsons right here. No lights. Got some big horse statue over here. It's also next to Dubai Investment Park. This is called Emirates East. Look at that big horse. Entrance East. I don't even know what that is. The bowl, the tracks, the stage. I guess it's the stage. Looks like they got a restaurant in there. So many different projects were built here. You can see the restaurant level. What's the bowl? I think that big yellow structure there is actually the entrance. Is that the bowl? Sorry guys, I really don't know exactly what it is I'm looking at all times because this is such a brand new area. And it's my first time here. Looks like Denmark there. I would stay there if it was a hotel. That's one thing I haven't seen much of. Hotels. Like, where's everyone gonna stay when they come here? Like a business park, maybe? Yeah, so the structure you're looking at here is actually shooting gold light into the sky. That's the entrance. Wow, okay. That's interesting. What is it made out of? Is that like brass or? Looks like they haven't even painted all of it. Or is it? What's going on here? What is that? It's like a... Huh, it's like a wood. It's actually a wood, like a balsa wood. That's unique. So this is what it looks like when you enter. It's called the tracks. You can see that pathway of some sort. I don't know if that's bike or what, but it goes up and then back down again. I'll show you how far down it goes. I don't know if it's a car park, bicycles, walking. You can see it goes under. It's interesting. Up and under. They already have a cat here. They have a cat. Hey, Australia's got some representation. It's Australia's pavilion. I wonder where the United States is. Denmark, Australia, Finland. Finland's over here. So I just asked one of the guys if this place is free or you gotta pay to come here, and I guess it's you gotta hit a ticket. So you need to buy a ticket if you want to visit here once it opens. But what is that? Oh, Russia. Is that Russia? 2020. Look at the colors on that. That's unique. There's a big old hotel there. We are now going to the direction of the metro. It's a taxi. I need metro. Metro? This side. Okay. Yeah. Wow. That's all I can say when I come to a place like this. Wow. I asked him how much the tickets are, and don't quote me on this because he wasn't for sure, but I think he said like 30 or 40 AED. It's not expensive if that's the case. That would be like $15. But he didn't know. He said it might be changing soon. Is this the metro? It's the exhibition center. Hello. The metro? Yes. Okay. Okay. Expo City. It's the hotel. And where we're going to next, probably go explore the investment park. As you know, it's better to explore Dubai at night in the summertime. It's so hot during the day. Taxis. Like a ballroom floor in here.
And that's going to conclude this episode of VirtCam from Expo City, Dubai. See you on the next one.